Hey, this is Suraj, Realtor with the Plowman team. Today I'm at 131 Taunton Road East, Unit 204, a 2-bedroom, 1-wash condo at a great price. Come, let's check it out. This unit has absolutely no carpets and it features a storage room spacious enough to store all your things. A clean and functional kitchen with everything that you need. Both the bedrooms are very spacious, and the primary bedroom also features a deep walk-in closet. Thank you for touring Unit 204, 131 Taunton Road East with me, Suraj, Realtor with the Plowman team. If you like what you saw and would like to book a private showing, please call the number above. And if you would like to stay up to date on all the new listings, don't forget to subscribe and like.